The talk bad English we quote. Cameroon have two bilingual language. Math to read they no go joke. Now which kind style this when they don't call the say cocky they no. Now so they say cocky massa. More they say cocky. They say cocky will bone straight. You do not carry cocky for your hand put sweet potatoes inside your drawers. You do not carry cocky for your hand put chop for cocky inside your drawers. Chop for cocky the say cocky. You do not go say cocky one kamba don't tie a suite. Mango go say cocky for person 2 days never pass customer for cocky don't can give small thing for your head. Then the say cocky empty last. You go for deliver cocky, they never losing cocky, they don't already losing you 3 times. You come up amenda for go deliver cocky for Yaoundé motor spoil for Betwa. Aquara cocky math. I conchaff that we call DSO. Wanna because they put beans inside the conchaff. Hey, concha where they be put concha for 200 na inside pan. Na this now man they pay 4,000. They put concha na on top plate. They put concha on top plate for salad. Man go pay money na carry concha Emma on top plate. Man the chop concha the finish on top plate like data. When I don't know the rules and regulations governing concha, they put concha na inside pan where they like pan. No carry concha Emma on top flat surface. Say I deliver 1 plate concha. They send a 1 pan concha or they send a 1 plate concha. Math. You go school, go study hotel management, get certificate finish. Instead for go to work for hotel, you go to sleep you for hotel. I get degree for hotel management. I get degree for hotel management. Math. It pass you for manage your last. You manage na my hotel. It pass you for manage your last when a private part. It pass you for manage input and output for your last. You manage na input and output for money hotel. Math. Even the one themselves where they want work, they don't keep fear. You put me work for your restaurant. One day one pass, it already cash like 4 work them. Get the sale for restaurant, but market the pass even the market for the restaurant. I buy. Cake available, cake available, cake available. You go school, go study transport and logistics, come out the make cake. You study na transport and pastries. Any small thing now for country na cake. Man born picking cake. They move picking for Bobby cake. Birthday cake. Man die, they go salon die now cake. You go even for Baffoon market line for cake day. I we go say cake, say cocky, say chop for cocky, say conchaff, say beans till when. People the other country, they check how way tomorrow go better for our own country. Our problem are the one for chop. Every day for Cameroonian, then their problem are the one for chop. When I go saw the one for chop every day. If you be minister or you be governor or you be senator or you be president or you be waiting, now they picking the way that you go school, go should inside classroom where Windows 7 no day they call you say minister or so they write your name on top paper. Now the mommy the way that they say for market under rain, under sun, they call you say governor. Now they picking the way they don't go school, go come out work no day they call you say minister. Now the people there they push truck for market, they call you say governor. You no be governor for yourself, you no be minister for yourself. You no be governor for your colleague them. You no be minister for your colleague them. You be governor for that people there inside the country. You be minister for the people inside the country. Only name, empty name for 2021. I mean say can reach now. Wali that they no be able for structure country, so me country get structure. You go stand for, for 2021, 20 people then start with Gary, 20 start with Cocoa, 20 start with Corn, 20 start with Jama for Bambi market. You want go up for Bambi, 20 stand for day for all thing. All that thing they feel hella winner how? By now, so we supposed to don't get small company the way that they run all thing there for we so that if we create employment. When I just say Saraman foolish na foolish for no the work corner a Cocoa yi one. All that thing and so that thing and that way it cause unemployment. By now, so for the country, if all our chop they be already there for when a company they work you get like 5 company the way they deal with corn and corn product. You get like 5 way they deal with cassava and cassava product. You get like 5 way they deal with vegetable, then thing the like tomato. At the end of the day, when I go see and say employment go there for almost all man. People they will need people then for work for farm, manual laborer then for farm, for factory, the engineer they go school, they fit come go work there. For distribution process, accountant, they will manager, they will marketer, the other people then they work for day. For transporter good, then they need driver them, they need mechanic them for the service company motor. As that motor then they run it, they consume fuel, na so company for fuel to the grow. For factory they use electricity, na so company for electricity the grow, it employ people. When I change Saramana fool, and at the same thing and that one I did read the inside book every day, but I no even still know. At the end of the day, the output go high 1,000,000 times better than that way any man they go work in Konyi one, work in cassava one, work in Jama one. All that thing a lazy work, all that thing no fi hele we. Now the highest thing and that the cause unemployment. When I go abroad, you go see the way the number of people the way only tomato farm the employer. From the farm, you get the people there that work for farm, the one there they work with tractor, for factory side, for distribution side, till that tomato go reach final consumer. When I see the number of people the way only tomato farm the employer. Division of labor, they give employment, and the output the high, work the easy for all sides. But for our own country, when man want gari, go work in cassava, can grind and make it gari. You want fufu, you go work corn, can make it fufu. You want chom jama, you plant and then the worst thing I say, at the end of the day, you send pikin for school, you come out work no day, you cry, say, but me even the government take work for outside, give the pikin. Anything you want, you go grind gari, you want fufu, you go work on gang grind. Even for Sarah people, they not be only their government they give them work. Then they find out because of the way they don't empower themselves. Well, you see, America find the way, find out because of the way America they empower themselves. Germany strong no be because in England make me strong. No, Germany strong now because Germany says they empower themselves. France strong because they empower themselves. England, but for una is the one that say me different people they empower una how. Even credit union there for Cameroon now you go put your money for credit union, money no the for grow, interest no the for enter. They let's say credit union they chop people then I chop them. Even if credit union no get plenty money, like 5 or 10 or 20 credit union they fit join together. They own their big farm they will company the way. For example, if they did deal with corn, they the sell corn product them like fufu the inside packet corn oil other corn product them. At the end of the day, as that company they make their interest. Now so people there they don't invest for credit union their interest to the grow. Now so they do thing them. Then it to create employment because they go need people them for work for farm them. They go need people them for work for factory, for distribution process. They go need people them. Transportation, they go need people them. Division of labor. Nothing that when I read them for book every day, they go get certificate there. One man they go work cassava, move am, can grind and make gari. What bay? Now who's kind of work that? Una fit continue for do that thing then so till when? For the country, I don't talk. When I left that palaver for the one for chop, me they check how way tomorrow feel better. When I forget that one for the one for chop, the one for chop no feel hella way for the country. Your problem no be the one for chop. Langa, unlimited langa way no they ever finish. You put man for position, a client go the enter a Prado, the pass go take long. Prado the run for conshot. When I run Prado, when I feel make even part for Prado.